You do not have to spend a lot of money in order to decorate your home for Halloween. Today I'm going to share how I made this tablescape behind me for just around 30 bucks. Hey, this is Jen from the blog Noting Grace, and I share all things DIY and home decor related, and we are talking about the spooky, creepy Halloween season. Now, I have always decorated for Halloween, but I have just recently started sharing about it on my blog. Last year I did a video talking about how we make boarded up windows for our exterior in order to have the appearance of a haunted house for trick-or-treaters. So I thought, why not bring it inside and let me show you what I've done with our dining room this year. Everything that I did for this project today was either purchased at the Dollar Tree or Walmart or Michael's. Most of the stuff was even purchased last year on a 70 or 80% off when the season is ending. So I always try to keep things budget-minded when I do these projects. So let's just dive right on in. I'll tell you the supplies that you'll need in order to create this table setting. For the table runner, Freaky Fabric. It really doesn't take a lot of effort. I just opened up the creepy fabric, put that down as the table runner. I did use 2 of them because my table is a bit longer, but you want to spread it out and create kind of that spider webby feel on the table. I love to collect tarnished silver, so the chargers for the table setting are trays that I have that I've collected over the years. So that's just a supply that I had on hand, but you could use something similar or find some very affordable silver chargers to mock up this same look. For each place setting, it's simple layering of the tarnished silver charger with the plastic black plate. Yes, those are plastic. And then the dessert plates are paper plates. You wouldn't even know. They look great. The black plastic plates came from the Dollar Tree. The square dessert plates with the skeleton hand came from Walmart. The goblets are from Dollar Tree as well. Those are actually dupes from a very pricey and expensive real glass, real metal goblet that you can purchase, I think at Pottery Barn, and they are very pricey. So I was able to get 6 of them for $6. Not a bad deal, if I have to say so. The centerpiece is another tarnished silver tray that I had on hand, but I did add this fun black tray with skeleton edge with like some bones and a skull for the centerpiece. The black little mini shrub trees with no leaves, both of those came from the Dollar Tree. And the candlesticks were a recent purchase, not for this project, but it was just a recent purchase, so I won't count that in, but they were about 10 bucks each, so that's kind of the splurge for this tablescape. When you're creating a centerpiece, you always want to create varying heights. That's why I put the large charger in the center with the tray on top, just to kind of elevate it. I did use a tarnished silver water pitcher for the centerpiece to put all of the faux greenery in. Or I guess I should say blackery, because it's not green at all, it's all black. And that creates that height in the center of the table. And you want it to, you could either have it taper down from the center down to the sides, or you can have the center be lower with like 2 candlesticks that are higher on either side. So you can play around with different heights, but having varying heights can create a focal point and something interesting to look at when you are wanting to create a table setting. The little Coffin Charcuterie tray is just so adorable. Now Walmart has that dollar spot when you walk into the store. I either got it there or I got it from the dollar spot at Target. Either way, it was probably about $5. It mimics, it looks like slate, and it has little rope ties that you can carry it in and present. Look at my my crackers. Look at my crackers. So the table setting, as you can see, is very easy to recreate and extremely affordable. Now let's move on to the hutch. The hutch I kept on the simple side. One of the things that I love to collect are those vintage glass medicine bottles. You can find them in all different shapes and sizes, and so I had a bunch of those on hand, so I added those in with some of those apothecary finds that I actually got at the end of the season last year. So you can group those in different settings. You can even purchase some of those stickers on Amazon to create normal jars with a new sticker. So I always try to keep things budget-minded when I do these projects, with the exception of the candlesticks that I did purchase, because those were $9 each. So if we take that away, I think total out-of-pocket was about $35. We are currently in a little bit of a financial pickle, which happens to a lot of us. It's just kind of a season in life. But that shouldn't stop you from being able to create a look for your home on a budget that works. If you're in the same boat as us, you can still enjoy the season. You can still decorate your home for It was so much fun. My boys love Halloween, so I know when they come home today, they are absolutely gonna love how my table looks. If you want to find any of these resources or anything similar to that, I'll make sure to put links in the show notes so that you can check that out. I'll also have a blog post detailing this all, so if you want to head over there, you can see that, as well as other Halloween ideas that I've got going on this season. Be sure to check out other videos, because I have lots more budget-friendly DIYs that will help make your home beautiful, but with affordable, attainable, easy DIYs that you can do. You never know, you might find a DIY that you want to try.